Next up, we're going to put our swivel on. So we're going to crimp that again because we crimp everything for consistency. Give it a crimp. And we've got a loop, a hook, and a float to our swivel. Now we got to put our hook on our loop. So we're going to pinch the loop, put it through the front of the eye of the hook. And we're just going to cross, and cross. And then we'll pull that down tight. Now we have two hooks. Got one up here, one down here to our weight. So the rig will be down, pulling the bottom. You got a float and two hooks, keep your bait up. Two different baits, two different depths. Double hook dragon rig.